Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MySQL DB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix MySQL shutdown unexpectedly in XAMPP problem. So sometimes we are just trying to start the MySQL database on XAMPP, so we're getting the error. So this is not going to be start and shut down unexpectedly. So this error we can fix it from the step-by-step process. I will show you that, and the steps are there. Exit MySQL means XAMPP completely. Stop MySQL and Apache. Close XAMPP. Then backup your data folder. Data folder paths will be C, XAMPP, MySQL and data. This path is the default path. Your path may be changed while installing. You are given the path. That path you should get the data folder and just copy the data folder into your safe location and then delete the critical files. Use caption. So go to the your original data folder. Okay, then delete ib log file, ib log file 1 and this ib data file 1. So this is the one condition. If you want to delete the ib data file 1, then you will just losing the InnoDB data. Whatever the databases are running, you are losing them. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just restore the default systems table. So if you want to get all the default settings, then you just copy that this is the path C, XAMPP, MySQL and backup. So just copy this folder and paste it inside the data and overwrite if needed. Okay, if any promoted, then just overwrite those folders and files and restart the gem, and you will just start with the MySQL. So this is the critical part. I'm not going to delete this folder, and I'm just going to get all the my database running over there. So this is my gem server. So this is not running. Error is the MySQL shut down unexpectedly. So I'm not able to access the my MySQL database. And previously, before getting this error, I was able to access my database. So this is my database server. Okay, so there is a users table is there inside the Chirag database, and we have a one data. If I refresh now, because our database is lost, so we are getting error. If I refresh then I'll get a error. Okay, wait a second, you will get error. Okay, meanwhile we are going through the process. So open the Explorer. You can open from here or open from your drive path. Both are same. So inside that, go to the your MySQL. Let me enter this. So go to the folder. Here just copy this data folder to another path. So I'm keeping this folder into there in gem path or C drive. You are getting maximum time, you are getting this screen. Okay, this is the one error screen you will get. So this means you are unable to connect with your MySQL database. So what I will do, because our MySQL is not started, we are getting error. Okay, so open the folder and go to the MySQL, copy your data folder and keep in safe place. So I'm just keeping inside the gem folder or anywhere else in your TV you can keep. Go to your MySQL and go to the data and delete your log files, both the logs, IB log file 0 and 1. Leave this file because I want my Chirag database also. So go to the MySQL again, and go to the inside the backup, just copy this. I don't want IB data from here, IB data 1 from here. Just remember this. Just copy this, go to your data folder and paste there and replace all the files. Okay, so just remember that I don't want to lose my InnoDB information. So IB data, I'm not going to delete this for the testing purpose, and you are already kept the data folder in the safe place. So now what I'll do, I'll just go to the my XAMPP and we'll try to start. So it started successfully. You can able to see there we have started successfully. Okay. So now let me access the database. We are unable to access the database that time. Now I'm going to enter. So wait a minute. Let me check. Meanwhile, I'm checking with the XAMPP. So my database is running fine. Apache is somewhat slow. Port is changing. Okay, wait a few minutes. Okay, we are able to access now. So you can able to see if you go to your Chirag database, you can able to your tables, database tables, whatever the data you have. So before deleting the data folder, just remember that replacing the data folder, keep it as safe data of the safe data of these files, means all the database files and folders, everything. Just like go inside there, you can able to see the data files are there. So just keep this one into your safe place. So just like any other drive or somewhere else, and just replace from the backup folder, and don't replace the IBDB one. Okay, don't copy and replace to the your destination folder, and just restart. You can able to access your database. So in this video we have learned how to fix MySQL shutdown unexpectedly in XAMPP error. So step by step process is given there. There is small steps are there, but a crucial step. Maximum time we are able to see the XAMPP issue. XAMPP we are getting this issue. Okay. So we have completed this one. So for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process on in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.